When nature calls. When nature calls, the soul replies with an open heart and lifted eyes. A whisper rides the morning breeze, and peace is planted in the trees. The creek hums a sacred song, reminding us we still belong. The soil beneath, the sun above, all pulse with light, all breathe with love. The flowers sway in silent prayer. The sun rays dance through the air. Each leaf note in sacred tune. Each flower a heart song in full bloom. The forest speaks in ancient tones. An ancestor tree, a symphony of roots and home. Nature clears the noise, resets the pace, and cradles us in our sacred space. A red cardinal takes flight, a sign, a clue, a reminder that spirit walks this path with you. The creek becomes a gentle guide as frequency and faith align. So when the call of sacred earth stirs, step out, let go, let your soul confer. For in the stillness, pure and true, nature awakens all in you.